Welcome back. You're watching CNN News 18. We're coming to you live from the CNN News 18 Federal Bank newsroom. And the big story we're tracking at this hour is what happened at the Chandigarh airport. Newly elected member of parliament of the BJP, Kangana Ranaut, was slapped by a CISF personnel at the airport right after she was frisked. She has landed in the national capital now. We are, of course, awaiting an official word from her and a statement from her. The CISF is also investigating what exactly transpired. CNN News 18 has accessed a video of her at the Chandigarh airport. We believe that this is a video that was after the unprovoked attack on her. Arunima, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Arunima, any more details that you can share with us of what exactly happened?
So what we have been told by sources now is that Kangana was about to take the flight to Delhi. She was on a Vistara flight, and now when she was at the Chandigarh airport and she was going towards the frisking area, the SHA area as it is called, one CISF constable, Kulvinder Kaur, did the frisking, and once the frisking was over, she slapped Kangana Ranaut. What is not clear is, was there any kind of verbal altercation, or what was the provocation for this kind of an action by the CISF constables? But we are also told that Kulvinder tried to justify the action by saying she was upset with Kangana Ranaut's comments as far as Punjab ladies are concerned during the farmers' agitation, and that is why she expressed her anger. Of course, an inquiry has been ordered. This flight that Kangana was supposed to take, this incident is about 3:30. The flight took off at 4:10, and she has now landed in Delhi. We are told that the CISF has ordered an inquiry. Kulvinder Kaur, the constable in question, was immediately taken to the room where the commandant in charge sits, and she was asked to wait there. Inquiry has been ordered. We'll get to know from the CISF officially what comes out of the inquiry.
She's still before the CISF commandant is what we're learning. Kangana Ranaut is now in the national capital. Remember, she's traveling to New Delhi because there is a big NDA meeting tomorrow of all the newly elected members of parliament. She won on a BJP ticket from Mandi in Himachal Pradesh in the recently concluded elections. We're given to understand that right after the altercation, she also said she would be filing a complaint with the Home Ministry. Arunima, is that something you have details on?
I think CISF, because it falls under the central, Home Ministry, under the Union Home Ministry. Therefore, she's saying that she'll file a complaint. But since the CISF has already ordered an inquiry, and the protocol is very clear here, even an ordinary person complaining of bad behavior by uniformed personnel calls for action. In this case, the CISF constable is accused of slapping an MP elect, so that makes the offence that much more grave. I think the CISF has already decided to order an inquiry, and whatever preliminary action is going to be taken, be it suspension or termination, that will be taken once the inquiry committee report comes in. Suspension, I think, is likely to happen with immediate effect. So even when Kangana says that she's going to file a complaint with the Union Home Ministry, the ministry's concerned wing, which is the CISF headquarters, has already taken note, has already taken cognizance.
Right now, Kangana Ranaut is already in the national capital. She, of course, is here for the big NDA meeting that's going to take place tomorrow. But do we have any details, Arunima, of where she's headed next today? Would we be seeing her take this up with the BJP? Would we see anything from the side of the BJP as well on this?
Not yet. The BJP has not commented on this matter yet. Of course, she's a MP elect. She's just won the election from Mandi, and she's a central security protectee. She has a central security cover. But in an airport, when you're going into a frisking zone, your security personnel are not present with you, because you never assume that another uniformed personnel is going to slap or in any way cause harm to a central government protectee. So this is a very grave situation for CISF to be in, and I think they are going to carry out a thorough inquiry and a background check of Kulvinder Kaur. Perhaps her mental agility and her state of mind will also be checked if she is fit enough to be a uniformed personnel or not. All of that will happen as part of the inquiry that the CISF is initiating.
Right, the CISF will have to come out and put out a statement of as well as what exactly transpired, what their next course of action is going to be in this particular case. Are we expecting this to take a political turn as well? She is a newly elected member of parliament. Her comments specifically during her election campaigning is what has led to this slap, is what we're given to understand?
Yes, given the fact that this is being said that the trigger for the slap was Kangana's comments about Punjabi women and about the farmer agitation, this could get political in nature. She is a member of parliament elect from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and we do know that during the farmers agitation, there were no holds barred political attacks from both sides. So there is a possibility of this taking a political color. But if the CISF takes action against Kulvinder Kaur, and immediate action is taken, then perhaps MP-elect can be assured, because the issue here is wider. It is not just about one MP-elect getting slapped. It is about the wider ramifications of security of normal people, as well as security of members of parliament and senior politicians. Because if a uniformed personnel in a high security area like an airport frisking zone can slap an MP-elect, it is a matter of grave concern, and CISF will have to do a complete background check and complete overhaul of the protocols that are in place about their frisking personnel.
Those protocols will have to be looked into. They perhaps will need a revision as well. This high drama happening just a few hours ago at the Chandigarh airport, where Kangana Ranaut, the newly elected member of parliament of the BJP, was to take a flight from there to the national capital. She did take that flight. She's landed in Delhi as well. Speaking of politics, Arunima, we already have first reaction coming in. Incidentally, this is from Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Shiv Sena UBT faction. She's going on to talk about the comments that were made by Kangana Ranaut about farmers, which we are learning was the cause of the slap that came to the fore. Priyanka Chaturvedi also going on to say that perhaps the controversial comments is why Kangana Ranaut was given a ticket by the BJP in the first place. This is not the kind of politics we would want to see when something like this happens, isn't it?
Of course, I mean, slapping anybody is condemnable, let alone an MP-elect. But this is the political season. Elections have just ended. The newly elected MPs are about to take oath. And the first comment that is coming in from Priyanka Chaturvedi is alluding to the fact that perhaps Kangana was given a ticket because she was making such provocative statements. Of course, BJP will condemn it. They will come out and say that this is not required. A lady MP saying such things about another lady MP getting slapped is not something that should be dignified. But Kangana Ranaut's statement has been controversial, and we are waiting to hear from her officially once she has gone to the hotel where she is booked for tonight before the parliamentary party meeting happens tomorrow morning. Once she's in a position to talk, perhaps we'll know her version about what really happened. Was there a trigger? Was there any verbal altercation? We don't know yet.
And what happened after that? We're yet to ascertain that as well, isn't it? We do know that there was an altercation after which she did board her flight. But what happened in between? Did she raise a complaint with the CISF commandant, or was there suo motu action that's taken? That's also something that will be determined.
See, the sequence of events, as we know, is that once the CISF constable slapped Kangana Ranaut, there was her own advisor who was travelling with Kangana. He tried to slap Kulvinder Kaur back. And Mayank Madhur, who is the political advisor for Kangana Ranaut, around 3:30 when this incident happened, he tried to hit back at the CISF constable. And the situation reached a point, and the video that we have also shows, I think the video is of a few seconds or a few minutes after the incident happened, where Kangana is being escorted away from that area, and she looks visibly upset about what has happened. Subsequently, she does board the flight, which is at 4:10, and now she's landed in Delhi.
Right, she's landed in Delhi. It was a short flight from Chandigarh to the national capital. She's en route to the hotel that she's staying in. She's here in Delhi to attend the big NDA meeting tomorrow ahead of Prime Minister Modi swearing in. She, of course, is going to be meeting with several other BJP leaders while she's here before that NDA meeting. How the BJP takes this up is something that we'll have to look at, given that politics has already begun. There are some quarters within the opposition that have already come out and questioned the kind of comments that Kangana Ranaut has made, even questioning the intent behind BJP giving her a ticket in the first place at all. The CISF is yet to come out and issue a statement as to what their next course of action is going to be.
Thanks so much for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the breaking news and top stories, keep following us on all our social media platforms.